Changing the email link to your Snapchat account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access profile settings. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen to open your profile. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Step 3. Select email. Scroll down to the My Account section and tap on email. This will allow you to view your current email address linked to your account. Step 4. Enter new email. Type in the new email address you want to link to your Snapchat account. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email, tap on Save or Confirm to update your email address. You may receive a verification email. Follow the instructions in that email to complete the process. Once you've completed these steps, your Snapchat account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Snapchat's Help Center for further assistance.